better believe that God has a Son. He rose from the dead to save everyone. Jesus Christ is coming to town. He's making a list called the Lamb's Book of Life. He'll gather the saints who would walk with the Christ. Jesus Christ is coming again. Believers who are sleeping, precede those who are